The parish priest and Jude Town Parish Masindi. Speaking to Reverend Byaruganga Moti, he emphasized that this day calls for total conversion, urging Christians to renew their faith and support one another. We decided to come together to give witness to the world that indeed Jesus whom we have is alive, and we are doing it as one unison, that we believe in a Christ who unites and who brings us together as one family of believers. And this joint of the cross, what I'm sure about, has not only brought in only two parishes, but also other faith from other different faith from the Anglican communion, the Muslim communion, and also others like the Pentecostals, because we have seen a surge of human beings, a surge of believers coming to attend, and they have appreciated this way of the cross that we have carried together. We carry it with intention, definitely praying for our own selves to be truly converted, to be true Christians at this moment, where the world seems to be different things from our faith. Praying for our families, praying for our country, and praying for the entire world to conversion. Those who are outside, they should come and be true Christians at heart, to help one another, to really feel that you have a brother, a sister, whom you call as a sister indeed, and offering ourselves to them for our own growth as one community of believers. Reverend Canon Newton Byaruganga, the guest preacher at St. Matthew's Cathedral, thanked God for the day and urged Christians to remain mindful of the significance of Christ's crucifixion. He further called on believers to be merciful, forgiving, dedicated, and to love one another.
Ijuko kufa kwa mwaka guno leka abantu tuwe n'umutima gw'embabazi, umutima oguganyirangana, umutima gw'okwehayo n'okumalira kyona kitwaga tutandikire okamuka mu Yesu Kristo akatandika yamalira nikyo yarangire ekigambo kiri nti kihoire ako mulimo mission ye yakabayizirire akabagimazire. So abantu barahanga tuwe n'obusinge tugonzagane, tuganyirangane, tuterane hamu, kandi twehale ebibi byona ebikutuletereza kulemwa ogwetwa obukama bwaranga.
We also spoke to other church leaders who shared their messages of faith, unity, and spiritual reflection.
I've been pondering and meditating on the sufferings of Jesus Christ, especially when he was carrying the cross. In our lives, we have very many crosses. It might be a disease that has failed to cure. It might be financial constraints. It might be hatred from your neighbors. It might be broken relationships. It might be separation. Any problem, any challenge you have, Jesus has come so that that challenge may move away. What you need to do is to tell exactly Jesus where your pain is, where your desire is, where your plan is. He is ready to pour his precious blood in those problems, in that sickness, and you get healed and you become a freed child of God.
2026, we request you to be united. We work together in unity, in love, in harmony, and in forgiveness. Together we stand, together we love, and together we minister to the Lord who died for us.
Message ya Easter kigambo kutuhulire okwongera kugonzangana kandi okumalira mukwikiza kwaitu nokonda ekisinde kya Yesu Kristo kuganyira abatukora kubi abokuba obotaganyira nayo tuliganyirwa kandi nokubatira mukisinde ekyo tuli abasingizo mbobezi waitu omukristayo waitu.
To all my women in the ordinary is to forgive, to love, and to be patient in all kinds of situations they are going through, and always to embrace Jesus as their own personal savior and a vital key in their lives, homes, and workplaces.
I want us to maintain our behaviors which we have been having during the Lent season to continue so that this world can have peace, and also pray for the world, especially the Israelites who are at war with Iran and Americans, so that we can have peace.
To ensure safety, Masindi Chitara Hospital, Masindi Main Hospital, and the Nyamigisa team deployed ambulances and medical personnel to support participants throughout the walk.
We decided to join St. Jude and Nyamigisa as they walk the way of the cross. One is to give back to the community that we serve, and two, always when people are moving in a group and there are very many, there are always emergency cases which come along. So we decided to give in our ambulance to be as a standby first aid in case of any emerging medical condition. We evacuate the patient.
I'm Joel Tikasimile for Church of Uganda from TV News at 8 here in Masindi.
Moyo mwikirire abahe omugisha.
Amina.